I'm Pamindu. I live in London and I'm from Sri Lanka. Today I'm wearing a shirt and a sarong. So this outfit is mainly we wear for the festive seasons in Sri Lanka. Each and every year on 14th of April we celebrate the Sinhala and Hindu New Year. So on this particular day we mainly wear this outfit. Sri Lanka has a rich cultural heritage and it's a diverse country where Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslim, Burgher and Malay lives. So I love this diverse background. Also, I love the Sri Lankan food. It's a different taste and there are various selections. So I miss the food in Sri Lanka.
Can you describe your cultural style in one word?
I would say connected. So I feel the Cultural Style Week is the week we have the opportunity to represent your country in front of the world. So I believe it's a good opportunity for everyone to represent your country and give a value addition to your nation.